If you want to extract the URL of a hyperlink in Excel, unfortunately, there is no URL formula. Now imagine that it only takes 3 lines of code that you can just copy-paste even if you don't understand anything about VBA. I'm getting too excited. Let's go and check it out together. The first step is to save your file as a macro-enabled file. So you just go to File, you have Save As, and make sure you select this option, Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. That's pretty simple. You give it a name and you're done. The second step is to go to the Visual Basic Editor. So if you don't have this Developer tab, don't panic. Let me show you how to get it. You go to File, you search for Options. In my case, it is here, under More. Then you have Customized Ribbon, and you put a tick mark next to Developer. Press OK. There we go. You get this tab. Visual Basic, you get something like this. Now you need to search for your project. In my case, it's here. That's the name of the file. And you just click here, right-click, Insert, Module. Now you have a module. You just copy those 3 lines of code, and I'm going to put them in the description of this video. On top of this, you can download the file. So Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, that's about it. It's like a normal function in Excel. It's called URL, and it will give you the hyperlink URL. So now we can close this, and we can use it like a normal function. Equal URL, open parenthesis, and you saw how it's coming like an Excel function. So let me double click, select this cell, close parenthesis, press enter. That's your first URL. You drag it, and you get the other 2.